Discover a curated list of innovative woodworking tools designed to boost accuracy, speed, and creativity in your workshop. From precision measuring gadgets to time-saving cutting and clamping solutions, these tools help you work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, each pick brings efficiency and inspiration to every project. PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level. The PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level is a compact all-in-one alignment tool designed for fast, accurate household leveling tasks. It projects bright horizontal and vertical laser lines that intersect at 90 degrees, making layouts simple. With built-in bubble vials, an illuminated angle dial, and an indoor range of up to 30 feet, it ensures reliable precision. A magnetic wall-mounted base enables hands-free use on various surfaces. Lightweight, durable, and powered by AA batteries, it's ideal for hanging decor, installing shelves, and general DIY projects. GOINGMAKE Precision Honing Guide System. The GOINGMAKE Precision Honing Guide System is a durable all-metal sharpening jig designed to deliver perfectly square and repeatable edges on chisels and plane irons. Built from aluminum alloy, brass, and stainless steel, it features stable double rollers and self-squaring jaws for flawless alignment. With a wide clamping range and included angle-setting fixtures, it supports all common bevel angles. Easy to use for beginners and pros alike, it ensures consistent, razor-sharp results and comes neatly organised in a portable storage box. Milescraft 8408 Centre Finder. The Milescraft 8408 Centre Finder is a compact, accurate woodworking tool built for fast centerline and offset marking on materials up to 2.5 inches thick. Its precision centering hole holds a number 2 pencil perfectly aligned, while 10 offset notches, 1/16 inch to 5/8 inch, make layout work effortless. Crafted from durable ABS, it includes built-in pencil storage and a strong rare earth magnet for convenient workshop placement. This simple, efficient tool saves time and ensures consistently accurate marking on any project. Motovera Laser Level. The Motovera Laser Level is a compact, self-leveling, green cross-line laser designed for precise indoor and outdoor leveling. Projecting bright 110-degree horizontal and vertical lines, it offers adjustable brightness and dual modes, self-leveling for automatic accuracy and manual for angled lines. Its durable, drop-resistant design with IP54 protection, palm-sized body, and versatile mounting options ensures reliability on any project. Powered by AA batteries or a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Motovera provides high visibility, pulse mode compatibility, and extended range for professional results. Bora Portamate Mobile Base, Kit PM 1100. The Bora Portamate PM 1100 is a versatile mobile base kit that turns heavy machinery into easily movable workshop equipment. Built from durable steel with a 400-pound capacity, it accommodates user-supplied plywood bases from 12 inches by 12 inches up to 60 inches by 48 inches. 4 3-inch hard plastic wheels and foot-operated levers allow smooth mobility and secure locking. Low-profile design raises machines less than an inch, while included corner pieces, hardware, and leveling feet ensure easy assembly and long-lasting stability. Seika Chamfer Plane Dash. The Seika Chamfer Plane is a compact manual woodworking tool designed for fast, precise edge trimming on wood and gypsum board. It features an adjustable cutting depth for controlled material removal and interchangeable cutter heads, such as 45-degree chamfer and various radius blades, for versatile profiling. Built with high-strength carbon steel blades and a durable P20 steel aluminum alloy body, it delivers long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic design, built-in leveling bubbles, safety retaining edge, and optional auxiliary locator make it easy, accurate, and safe to use. Bessey Variable Angle Strap Clamp. The Bessey Variable Angle Strap Clamp is a versatile clamping solution designed for multi-angle projects, picture frames, and irregular shapes. Its high-tensile polyester strap delivers up to 1,100 pounds of even, distortion-free pressure, while the unique Vario angle corner clips adjust from 60 degrees to 180 degrees. The ergonomic 2K handle ensures comfort and torque, and the integrated rewind mechanism neatly stores excess strap. Durable, lightweight construction makes it ideal for woodworking, crafting, and assembly projects with a clamping range up to 23 feet. Milescraft 1229 HingeJigPLUS. The Milescraft 1229. HingeJigPLUS is a precision, self-clamping system designed for effortless hinge, latch, and strike plate mortising on doors and frames without screws or nails. Its dual clamp design secures surfaces safely, while versatile templates accommodate common North American hinge sizes and latch plates. Adjustable spacers and radius inserts allow square or rounded corners, and built-in depth guides ensure accurate routing. The kit includes a router bit, templates, hinge spacer, backset plugs, pin doctor, and onboard storage for easy organisation. Jorgensen Chamfer Plane. The Jorgensen Chamfer Plane is a precision corner easing tool designed for fast, clean edge shaping on woodworking projects. Built from high-grade machined aluminum, it stays lightweight yet durable, while its 01 steel cutter heads deliver long-lasting sharpness. With 4 interchangeable blades, including a 45-degree chamfer and 3 radius cutters, you can achieve a variety of edge profiles with ease. The adjustable depth knob offers fine control, and the integrated blade storage and ergonomic grip make it efficient and comfortable for extended use. TEENO Wood Router. The TEENO Wood Router is a compact and versatile hand trimmer designed for precise trimming, edging, and shaping in small to medium woodworking projects. Powered by a 650 to 800 watt pure copper motor, it offers variable speeds up to 32,000 RPM for smooth control. Its ergonomic grip, transparent fixed base, and quick depth adjustment ensure accuracy and comfort. A dust collection port keeps the workspace clean, while included accessories, router bits, guides, and a carrying case make it a complete, ready-to-use kit for DIYers and professionals. Kreg R3 Junior Pocket Hole Jig System. The Kreg R3 Junior Pocket Hole Jig System is a compact portable solution for creating strong, accurate pocket hole joints in materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Built from durable glass reinforced nylon with hardened steel drill guides, it delivers long-lasting precision. Its adjustable sliders, optimized drilling angle, and wood chip relief ensure clean, consistent results. Compatible with standard clamps, it's ideal for tight spaces, DIY projects, and quick repairs. The kit includes a carrying case, drill bit, driver bit, depth collar, screws, and plugs. Seeker Multifunction Scribing Tool. The Seeker Multifunction Scribing Tool is a precision marking device made from durable, anodized aluminum alloy, ideal for construction and woodworking tasks. Its adjustable arms and secure locking mechanism let you trace parallel lines, contours, circles, arcs, and cutout positions with accuracy. With over 15 marking applications, including edge tracking, contour following, and compass mode, it adapts easily by tightening the pencil holder and nuts. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with clear scaling and a deep hole pencil, it's perfect for on-the-go professionals. Microjig GRR-RIP Block Smart Push Block. The Microjig GRR-RIP block. Smart Push Block is a versatile, safety-focused woodworking tool designed for table saws, jointers, router tables, and band saws. Its smart hook technology prevents kickback with auto-retracting heel hooks, while the GRR-RIP podular traction base ensures superior grip on various materials. A 90-degree flip guide enables edge use for resawing or profiling. Ergonomic, durable, and ambidextrous, it reduces fatigue and works with optional accessories. Made in the USA for lasting performance. MaxxGeek Drill Guide. The MaxxGeek Drill Guide is a versatile portable tool crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy for precise drilling in woodworking projects. Ideal for deck and stair railing installations, it offers multiple angles, 30 degrees, 38 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, with 4 pilot hole sizes per angle. Equipped with wear-resistant bushings, clear dual-groove guidelines, and a wide clamping area, it ensures accuracy and stability. Lightweight and compact, this durable drill guide enhances efficiency on job sites and is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a precision aluminum alloy guide designed for safe, fast, and accurate narrow strip cuts on table saws, band saws, and router tables. Its one-way roller bearing prevents kickback, ensuring safety, while laser engraved scales and a zero clearance setup enable precise, repeatable cuts down to 1/32 inch. Compatible with most miter slots and featuring an extended cutting range of 2 5/8 inches to 8 inches, this durable, versatile jig is an essential tool for any woodworking workshop. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil. The Nicpro Carpenter Pencil is a heavy-duty mechanical marking tool built for precision and durability. Featuring a deep hole tip, built-in sharpener, and strong 2.8mm leads, it effortlessly marks wood, metal, plastic, concrete, and more. Its ergonomic non-slip design ensures comfort and control, while the reliable clutch mechanism prevents smudging. Lightweight and portable with a handy pocket clip, it also includes multicolored refills for optimal visibility. Perfect for tight spaces, workshops, and demanding job sites. Rockler Cabinet Scraper Holder. The Rockler Cabinet Scraper Holder is a thoughtfully designed woodworking tool that reduces hand strain and protects fingers from heat during extended scraping. Its ergonomic shape with soft rubber overmolds ensures a secure, comfortable grip, while an adjustable knob lets you control the scraper's flex for precise, fine shavings. Durable reinforced nylon construction guarantees long-lasting use. Rounded side grips provide versatile hand positions, and the holder fits most standard 5 to 6 inch card scrapers, making installation and removal quick and effortless. Woodpeckers Bench Rule SS. The Woodpecker's Bench Rule SS is a premium stainless steel rule designed for precision woodworking. Made from 1/16 inch rigid stainless steel with a satin finish, it features laser engraved scales with plus or minus 0.04 inches accuracy. Its innovative sliding stop enables parallel scribing and repetitive marking, while also converting into a self-standing base for hands-free vertical measurements. With a milled scribing notch, multiple length options, and both inch and metric graduations. This USA-made rule ensures durability, versatility, and unmatched precision for professional woodworkers. Bora Tool Quickcut. The Bora Tool. Quickcut number 530416 is an all-in-one circular saw guide and measuring tool designed for precision and speed. It features 4 preset woodworking angles: 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees for effortless, accurate cuts. Its 14-inch aluminum guide rail includes imperial and metric measurements, while the ergonomic non-slip handle ensures stable control. Lightweight yet durable, the Quickcut works with most circular saws and can cut wood or soft metals. Expandable with Bora accessories, it's an award-winning, versatile tool for any project.